Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here to give a demo on the Isuzu electrical circuit board. So this we designed for to understand the basic electrical on about the vehicles. So here is the Isuzu electrical circuit board. So I'm going to give you a demo on how to unbox it. So first you can see here there is a key is available here. So okay, this is a lock. To open the lock there is a key, and also inside the box you can find one USB. So with this you can see that how to unbox and all. So the important informations and the soft copy of the repair manuals and all we are copying to this. And once you unlock this, so you can find here that inside there is a box. So you can open this. To opening, so you have to remove the first the upper cover, this transparent cover you have to remove, not that entire box you have to remove. So only remove the upper cover, this transparent cover. So this is the transparent cover, keep it in a good place. And then the electrical wiring diagram plate, that is so the upper panel, this one. So this you have to remove and then keep it in a good place. Then finally remove this base. Okay, so this base. So not that you have to open the entire box. Okay, part by part by part. Means first this one, the transparent, then this, the panel, upper panel, then finally the lower base. Then so inside, once you open this, you can find that there are two power cables, positive and negative. Then there is one manual, so operational manual. It will give you all the information about the electrical circuit board. The exercises also you can find there. And then, so here there are many accessories like electrical accessories, that bulb holders. There are 4 number of bulb holders. 4 number of bulb holders, and then there are 3 number of resistors, the 100 ohms each. Then there is one buzzer, and then there are two switches, and then there is one relay, and the motor, the 12-volt motor. And also you can find some connectors, for the connection purpose. And there are total 4 number of packets available. Each packet is having 2 positive and negative leads, one black and the red one. Then also there are 2 packets you can find. The one is 12-volt bulb and the other one is 1.5-volt bulb. So always use the 12-volt bulb because your battery you are using is the 12-volt. So these are the things, and let me show you the battery. So this is the battery which I will suggest because this battery ampere hour is the capacity is 1.3 ampere hour up to 1.5, okay, but battery should be 12-volt. Okay, don't use your the vehicle battery because sometimes the buzzer and all the capacity is not much. So we will advise you to use that particular battery. So this thing. Then while keeping also inside, arrange it properly here, like in this way. Arrange it, and then the motor you keep it like this. Arrange it properly so that it should not touch to the upper panel. Properly keep it. Then finally place this. So fixing time also same. You can do it. First you keep this inside, then upper panel, then finally the transparent case. So this is the thing. Thank you for watching. Thank you.